In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a profile on BambooHR. Now to do this, first you want to go to the People tab over here on the left inside your dashboard, and you'll see that there's going to be a bunch of different people in here. This is just some sample data, as is indicated up here, top right. It's sample data. I'm not leaking anyone's info. It's for demo purposes only. Then what you want to do here is basically find the profile or person you want to delete, and then you're going to have a few options. So if I click on the profile of this specific demo person I have added in here inside this demo trial I'm using over here, I can just go to the top right here, and you can see there's the three dots. You can click on those three dots, and now you have a few options. As it says over here, you can end employment, so you can of course do termination or resignation, or you can just delete that specific employee. So you have two options. I'm gonna just go and delete this employee over here to delete this profile, so I'm gonna click on that, and then you can click on yes, delete this employee. But before this, you have to type in delete over here, otherwise it's not actually going to work. Okay, that's the first way to do it. But if you want to end employment, just click on over here, end employment, and then you'll be able to see, there we go, we have to select the effective date and then the type, reason, eligible for rehire, of course yes or no upon review, and then you have the reassign direct reports to, and you can select the person, and you can then end the employment as well. Okay, so those are the two ways to delete a profile on BambooHR. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.